So if you want to learn more about the brand new 2024 Ego 42-inch battery-powered ride-on lawn tractor, well, guys, you're in the right place. Welcome back, everybody. My name's Andrew, and this is Kite Army. Check out what I got behind me right there. This is the brand new 2024 Ego T6 lawn tractor. Now, this is Ego's first battery-powered lawn tractor. We are really excited. We've been waiting for this for a while. Up until now, they only had zero-turn ride-on mowers, ZTRs. They had the original ZTR, which was the Z6, and then the E-Steer. They're awesome mowers. I actually have links to those down below. Now, if you're trying to decide whether you need a ZTR or a lawn tractor, I actually talked about that as well. I actually didn't know the answer, so finding that out and sharing that with you guys was great. There's a link to that video down there as well. Make sure you check that out. But today, it is all about this guy right here, the T6. So let me just give you an idea of why you choose the T6. First of all, it has a higher towing capacity than the ZTRs. This thing can pull 600 pounds. Secondly, the lawn tractor, and most lawn tractors for that matter, are actually better on hills. So if you have a hilly, slopey yard, maybe you're going to want to consider a lawn tractor. Now, keep in mind, they have their limitations. So if your hills are greater than 15%, you might want to think about something else. And lastly, which is really cool, and a lot of people are going to care about this, the Ego T6 lawn tractor is about $1,000 cheaper than the Ego ZTR. So if you're looking at saving a little bit of money, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out. So you're in for a treat today. We're going to go over all the features of this T6 lawn tractor. I'm going to show you how to operate it. And of course, we're going to do some mowing. Here we go. So let's walk around this tractor and I'll show you all the cool features. First off, up front here, you've got your battery compartment. You can see this is a V6. You've got 6 compartments. The mower sold with 6 amp hour batteries. I obviously don't have everything full here yet. I'll show you that later. This closes down. You can see it's hydraulic. Up front here, we got a nice bumper. So if you hit anything, you won't damage your mower. Really cool. Over here, you've got some storage. You might want to put your manual in there, things of that nature. Of course, here's your 42-inch deck right there. There's your mower blades. Right down below, this is your accelerator over here. Now with the 6 amp hour batteries, you can see that it can mow 1.5 acres of property, which is really cool. Here's the mower deck adjustment. It goes from 1.5 inches all the way down there. Let me see if I can show you that raise all the way up to 4.5 inches right there. And it's really easy. Look at this. Look how easily you can move this. Let's move around the back. You can see we got nice wide tires so they won't rip up your yard. That's really cool. I've actually got the tow hitch here, and this is an accessory so you can put on some other things from Ego. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use that yet. You've got a cup storage right here. Over here, you got a really nice plush seat that's adjustable forward and back. Let me see if I can do that. Yeah, harder to do from this angle. Forward and back, really cool. We've gone over all the controls here. Here's your washout port. You just connect a hose to this and it will clean out the deck. You run the deck really easy. Now here's the motors that power the blades on the deck. The cool thing is no belts or anything down there to maintain. Really easy to maintain this mower because there's not a lot of moving parts. They basically have the motor on the other side. They put the blade. So there's nothing there to surface it all. Let's go over here. You've got your LED lights, which is really cool. So you can mow at night. You've got a Zerk fitting right here so you can grease it and stuff like that. They've done everything on this mower, but in a nutshell, that's all the features of this mower. So if you buy this mower as a kit, you get the batteries with it, and the batteries we're going to look at right here are 56 volt, 6 amp hour batteries. There are 6 of them, and they will power the mower long enough to cut 1.5 acres per charge. So they've included a brand new charger with the T6 tractor, and it's right here. What's cool about this charger, it actually converts a regular Ego battery charger into a charger that can charge all 6 batteries while they're in your T6 tractor. Very cool. So let me show you some of the cool features of this lawnmower. First off, over here, you have your brake. You'll notice if I push that brake, this lever drops down. So to lock in the brake, you push it forward and pull that lever up. And now the brake on the mower is fully engaged. Over here, you have a small USB port here for charging, a nice convenient place to put your phone, something like that. I really like that. That's like the quality of ego. Now back to the controls, we've got the key that needs to be inserted here to run the mower. That's really straightforward. Over here, you've got the charging port, so you can charge all 6 batteries at one time using their new 700-watt charger. So let me quickly cover some of the controls on the dash. First off, up here, you have cruise control. Once you set your speed, you push that button, it locks in the speed. Over here, you actually have the travel speed of the mower. You can change that. You have your lights. This button right here, which I have to read about, is actually whether or not the mower will cut in reverse. You can turn that on and off. And over here, you have your blade speed. Now on this side, you have your start button right here, and you have your direction control, whether it's in drive or reverse on this side. And over here, you have your PTO. This button turns on your blades, and to shut them down, you just hit it like that and your blades are off. So that's basically the controls of this mower. Let's start it up. So to start the mower, the first thing you need to do is either push down the brake manually or lock it in. I'm going to lock it in. Then over here, you push the power button for 30 seconds. You'll see it will show you the state of the batteries, and then it will actually turn on, and you're ready to go at this point. Now, what you need to do is release your brake like that. You can see this green light shows you the mower's activated and ready to roll. Let's put it in drive, hit the accelerator right here, and away we go, boys. Well, guys, after seeing that video, I don't think you're going to care about what I have to say next, and that is the cost of the Ego T6 ride-on tractor. And the reason why we don't care is because we saw the convenience of this mower, the build quality, that there's no fuss, there's no fumes. It's just a great, well-built machine, and we don't care about cost. Just put it on the credit card, guys. But for those few of you out there who do, let me just give you the breakdown here. The Ego T6 ride-on tractor with, as a kit, I should say that, as a kit, includes the tractor, the 6 amp hour, 56 volt batteries, and the new 700-watt charger. That sells for about $4,000. Now, that puts it at the top of the range of lawn tractors. In that quality, it's just a little above, right? But here's the deal, and don't tell anyone I told you this. Basically, if you buy this kit and it includes the 6 amp hour batteries, those batteries can be used on 80 other Ego tools. I'm talking about snow blowers, string trimmers, blowers, edgers, you name it. They got a bunch of cool stuff. They even have a motorcycle now, right? Motorcycles. So these batteries can power all that stuff, meaning you can buy those tools without a battery, which means you can save money. So guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you think about this Ego T6 ride-on tractor. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And when you're done with that, guys, we're going to go and watch some more Kite Army, of course. What else would you do? And there's a video waiting for you right there. Let's go.